Let's solve 3 minus 3 times 3 minus 3. If we work straight across, we get 3 minus 3, which is equals 0. Then 3 minus 3 equals 0 as well. So finally, we have 0 times 0 equals 0, which is incorrect. Mathematics follows a specific sequence called the order of operations, which we remember using PEMDAS. That's parentheses, exponents, multiplications, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication has higher precedence than subtraction, so we must follow multiplication before any subtractions occurs. So 3 times 3 equals 9. Our expression now becomes 3 minus 9 minus 3. Since we have subtraction remaining, we proceed from left to right. 3 minus 9 equals negative 6. Then negative 6 minus 3 equals negative 9. Therefore, the correct solution is negative 9. The key principle here is respecting PEMDAS. The order of operations means multiplication must be completed before subtraction in mixed expressions.